is blocked. In town, we have problems on Albion at Steeles, on Wilson west of Kiel, and on Yonge south of the 401. Here's a simple way to save. Switch your car and home insurance to Bel Air Direct. It's that simple. Bel Air Direct. Insurance simplified. I'm Alexis Spiger, and that's your Essential Traffic on Jazz FM 91.
Is one of your resolutions this year to save more? Well, as a sell-off travel expert, I'm no accountant, but I do know that a great way to save money is to book your winter getaway during Sell-Off Vacation's super sell-off sale. You'll be laughing all the way from the bank to the swim-up bar. Catching! In store with 6 locations in the GTA, online or just give us a call.
72 hours to D-Day, and the fate of the Allied forces depends on one man's weather forecast.
I'm a scientist, not a gambler. But that's what they're making us do. Gamble with 350,000 lives at stake.
Pressure, the gripping true story of how one man turned the tide of World War II. Starring Downton Abbey's Kevin Doyle. Pressure, now through March the 5th at the Royal Alexandra Theatre. Book at mervish.com.
Experience the best that Yamaha has to offer at Remini House of Music's new flagship store on Vanderhoof Avenue in Leaside. For more than 130 years, Yamaha has been building the world's most beautiful pianos, and Remini has specialized in curating the best selection in musical instruments. The new Leaside store has a wide variety of Yamaha musical instruments for every taste and budget. Visit the new location or shop online at remini.com. Learn more about Yamaha at ca.yamaha.com.
Where delicious becomes jazzlicious. It's Markham Jazzlicious Winterfest, bringing together food lovers and music enthusiasts for a night of delicious meals and live jazz performances. From January 31st to February 2nd at Next Door Unionville, catch one of Canada's top jazz vocalists, Heather Bambrick, and delight in the culinary diversity of Chef Isaac Coe. Experience the ultimate evening of jazz and culinary magic. Details and tickets at jazzlicious.ca.
Jazz FM 91 and MRG Live want you to beat the box office for Go-Go Penguin. Go-Go Penguin is coming back to Toronto and will be at the Opera House on May 9th in a Jazz FM 91 presentation. And if you listen this week to Brad Barker, you could win tickets before they go on sale this Friday. That's how much we want you to be there. Go-Go Penguin, win your way in with Jazz FM 91.
It's Afternoon Drive with Brad Barker.
Jazz FM 91.
Oh well, we're not going to get anywhere soon.